How to turn off X sensitive content settings. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can turn off X or Twitter sensitive content settings. Now in order to turn it off, first of all update your application and then open up your X application. If you're logged into your account, tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side corner. Scroll down a bit, go to settings and support. Once again scroll down a bit, go to settings and privacy. While you're on this page, you'll be able to see all sorts of information. So here you'll need to go ahead and click on privacy and safety. After that, you can see there's on the third option, content you see. You'll need to click on it, and you can also see there's display media that may contain sensitive content. If you have turned it on, then just toggle the button. Currently it is turned off, so if you have turned on, you might be able to see a blue button. Just tap on it and you have successfully turned it off. After that, you also need to go ahead and tap on search settings, and here you need to turn on hide sensitive content. After you've done that, you'll need to refresh your application, log out, or maybe update your application. After that, re-log into your account, and you might stop seeing sensitive content on Twitter or X application. So in this way you can turn off X sensitive content settings. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.